Ayan, let's bring it to Manang Grace. Hi! Ang ganda na dagsun. Believe it or not, nagustuhan ng mga locals na Europeans, ang mga neighbors, na baliw sa ating kangkong adobo this time. At dahil boring sa loob, magluluto tayo sa labas for some views. Please join me at the garden. We'll be cooking adobo na ala teriyaki. Hello! Hello! Kangkong na naman, you might say. Yes, I cannot help it. It's just easy to grow. Look, and we're cooking today a simple dish. Please, my apologies. This is not a kangkong channel. It's just in season, that's why. I cannot help it, but we're cooking kangkong again today. This time it's the kangkong that we surely love. It's adobo. Adobong kangkong. What makes it different? It's fresh. What else? Asan ang camera? Yeah. What else? It's fresh. At the same time, we'll do it. At the same time, mayroon siyang sahog. Yeah. What's adobong? It's adobong kangkong, by the way. And we'll do it preserving its bright green color para masaya, para magandang tingnan. Not only that, since this is adobo, it will have, as you know, soy sauce and vinegar. Dagdagan natin siya ng mas maraming sugar para siyang anong tawag doon? Para siyang ano yung Japanese na ulam? Para siyang teriyaki. Yan. And then yung taba ng baboy, yun ang magsisilbing basta, yung flavoring, yung taba at saka yung suka. Ang ganda ng kombinasyon. Kaya masarap ito. I remember my father going to Urdaneta in Pangasinan dahil maraming kangkong doon from our island town just to enjoy this dahil wala sa amin. Okay, tapusin ko to, hindi tayo magkwentuhan habang ginagawa to. Ayan. Pwede itong i-blanch. Let's go to the back of the shed. Yan. Dito tayo magluluto to enjoy the view. Ito lang ang ating rekado. Yan, hindi ko na tinanggal yung pinaglinisan to add to the decor ang tawag din. Ito yung ating blinange. Medyo luto na siya, yung ang disadvantage, but it remains colorful. Hindi ko alam kung kailangan talaga ba, hindi ko alam, to be honest with you. Sa tingin ko hindi kailangan. Oy, I forgot. I have pork belly with me. I have pork belly with me. Yun. It's been pre-cut, rendered, and frozen. Yan. Tingnan yung ating mga rekado. We had oil, vinegar, was this soy sauce, and as I promised that umami taste ito, lagyan natin siya ng kunting patis, salt. No, I don't need salt because we have soy sauce, and some sugar. Mas maraming sugar than usual dahil ala teriyaki. We add this onions. This might take really longer than I expected. Yeah. The onion and the garlic now. Anong mahirap doon? It's really easy. Medyo incline yung ating camera. Ayusin natin. Yeah, I think that's better. Away from the pan. Let's add some Indian way. This will introduce more, or a bit of more enhanced or more pronounced pepper flavor if we add it now here. Yeah, even yung patis, if we add it now, some patis, it will enhance the flavor. Really, something new. Natutunan ko to sa mga taga Batangas. Thank you, Leia. Yan. May amoy nga lang. Sana huwag magreklamo ang neighbor natin. And we can add the kangkong now, which we have at lunch. Yeah. It's cooked already. As usual, we don't have a ladle. And the soy sauce or the vinegar first. Iwasan ko na siya. You know what? When I was younger, nagluto ako nito for my father. Ang tanong ba naman niya, ano yan? Atsara. Because it tasted like atsara. No, it was not atsara. It was adobo. The shoot or the sourness was very pronounced, that's why. Pero ngayon, let's just allow the acidity to evaporate para maiwasan yung, sabi nila, ilaw na suka. This is ready. I'll add the soy sauce. Yeah, that was generous. What else? And then more patis. Oh yeah, nandamahan yata. We need sugar. Parang, that's a smell. Yeah. I usually don't add more than 1 teaspoon. I will accentuate the sugar this time para siyang anong tawag ko kanina? Para siyang ano yung Japanese? What's that? Teriyaki. Yeah, teriyaki. Alright. Let's give it some turn para absorbe yung kanyang sauce. Yan. Tingnan nyo naman. It's still green really. Salamat sa ating pag-blanch. I don't regret blanching it. Yeah. Yeah. Medyo anemic. Dagdagan natin siya ng soy sauce. But there's no achara flavor anymore. Yan. See? Even overcooking it does not discolor the the kangkong, it remains green. So, let's bring it to Manang Grace. Look, our adobo today. Our adobo today. How about that? Cooking it here at the garden. By the way, I hope you've been inspired to grow, cook, and share just like me here. Let's share it to Madam Grace. Let's bring it to her. Ayan, let's bring it to Madam Grace. Hi! Manang kita mo dito ya. Oh.
Nag-imasin.
Oh, bagay ka na ba doon? Oh. Hindi ka kumita lens hanggang dito rupata. Hanggang na dagsun. Tan. Hindi ka lens kumita. Ay.
Sige.